A very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one magic day, he passed my way, while we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. You'll never see the courage I know, its colors, richness won't appear within your view. I'll never glow the way that you glow. Your presence dominates the judgments made on you. But as the scenery grows, I see in different lights. The shades and shadows undulate in my perception. My feelings swell and stretch, I see from greater heights. I understand what I am still too proud to mention to you. You'll say you'll understand, but you don't understand. You'll say you'll never give up seeing eye to eye, but never is a promise, and you can't afford to lie. You'll never touch these things that I hold. The skin of my emotions lies beneath my own. You'll never feel the heat of this soul. My fever burns me deeper than I've ever shown to you. You'll never live this life that I live. I'll never live the life that wakes me in the night. You'll never hear the message I give. You'll say it looks as though I might give up this fight. But as the scenery grows, I see in different lights. The shades and shadows undulate in my perception. My feelings swell and stretch, I see from greater heights. I realize what I am now too smart to mention to you. You'll say you understand, you'll never understand. I'll say I'll never wake up knowing how or why. I don't know what to believe in. You don't know who I am. You'll say I need appeasing when I start to cry. But never is a promise, and I'll never need